Look at the trailing arm guard. I think it's UHMW is what the material is. It's probably 1/4 inch thick or so. And looks to have 2 mounting points on it. So I'll get one put on, show you how, and then maybe try and get the second one where you can see it all. It really didn't come with instructions, so I'm gonna go online and download those, but I'm kind of interested to see what this hardware is. So bear with me. Make this a little more detailed than I thought I would, because I'm sure some people have the same questions as I do. So step one, you want to start with the left side according to the instructions, but take the guard, and they're calling this the side attachment bracket, and then you've got a 5mm Allen screw. You want to just run it through and loosely tighten it on there where this can still spin, and then that, what they're calling the side attachment bracket, is going to go through here, and you're going to rotate it vertically. So basically it's just going to clamp up here and here, and then you tighten down the Allen screw. I found it easiest to leave that side attachment bracket as loose as you could possibly get it without it falling off of the screw, and then just guide it up while it's still in the trailing arm guard and push it through. And then you don't have to worry about even reaching in there and turning it, because as you tighten the screw up, it'll spin that bracket and get it vertically oriented. So you just tighten it down, and then you can move on to this hardware. Tip while you're installing this, get yourself a little C-clamp so you can hold the sides of the trailing arm guard together, and then when you go to put these small brackets over the end, it makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to worry about using one hand to squeeze everything and another hand to push these on, because these are kind of a bear to get pushed on the end. Guards are on. Probably took me 15 minutes or so. I think they're going to work out pretty nicely. It definitely covers all the points where you would potentially impact something. There you can get a better shot of the driver's side. So they mount here, and then back there, they call this, it's a plastic piece, but they call it a cam. And then it's got the clip I showed you a second ago on the back side and a spacer in here. And then this is that mounting bracket that goes inside the trailing arm, and then this 5mm hex. So 2 accessories down, got the windshield, got the trailing arm guards. Next I'm going to take these nets off and then put the lower doors on.